Hello friends, I am back with another video. So in this video we learn about what is an adjective. So before I start this video, if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe this channel and also turn on the bell icon. So let's go. So we start with adjective. First of all, we need to know what is an adjective. Basically, adjective describe or modifies noun and pronoun. In a sentence, it normally show quality, size, shape, duration, feeling, content, and more about noun and pronoun. And also, adjective usually provide relevant information about the noun and pronoun. They modify describe by answering the question like what kind, how many, which one, how much. So this is called adjective. There are 8 types of adjective. Adjective of quality, proper adjective, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributed adjective, interrogative adjective, and last possessive adjective. Let's start with adjective of quality. Adjective of quality can be defined as an adjective which is used in the sentence to express the size, shape, flow, quality, color of person, thing, animal or place. It's called adjective of quality. For the example, I have a fast car. In this sentence, the fast word is describing the quality of car. Let's go with another example. The red flower is lovely. In this sentence, the red word describing color of flower. I think you are totally understand what is an adjective of quality. Let's move on. Proper adjective. Proper adjective is the adjective form of proper noun. When proper noun modify or describe other noun and pronoun, they become proper adjective. Proper means specific rather than formal or polite. Basically, proper adjective help us to summarize a concept in just one word. For the example, American car are too strong. It means maybe American car build is very strong and durable. It's help us to clear the concept in one word. Adjective of quantity. The adjective of quantity indicates the amount or estimated amount of the noun or pronoun in the sentence. It does not provide information about exact number. It's only tell us amount of noun is in relative or whole term. For the example, he has enough money to start business. In that example, not define what actual money he have, but it shows he have money for the start business. Another example, employees have completed most of the task. In this sentence, it's not defined what actual task completed by the employee, but it gives us estimated idea. Adjective of number. Basically, adjective of number showing the number of noun or pronoun is called adjective of number. There are 2 types of adjective of number, definite and indefinite. Definite when they are express exact number of noun or pronoun. For the example, 10 girls are not come today in school. Indefinite when they are do not express an exact number of noun and pronoun. For the example, I sold my few toys. I was meet you few years ago. In this sentence, speaker not define exact number of noun and pronoun. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives that are used to modify a noun so that we know which specific person, place or thing is mentioned. And demonstrative adjective include with these words this, that, these, those. For the example, that building is so high. That refer to a singular noun far from the speaker. Example of this car is mine. This refer to a singular noun close to the speaker. Example of these cat are cute. These refer to a plural noun close to the speaker. Example of those Those flowers are lovely. Those refer to a plural noun far from the speaker. Distributive adjective. Distributive adjective which is used to refer each and every person or things separately or describe specific member out of a group is called distributive adjective. Moreover, these adjectives are used to single out of one or more individual people or items. Distributive adjective included with these words each, every, neither, either, any, both, etc. For the example, each boy took his seat. In this example, each is used to refer to one specific person or group. Let's move on another example. I write article every day. Every is used to make generalization in sentence. There are many examples in distributive adjective. You can make sentence yourself. Interrogative adjective. In the simple language, interrogative adjective, a word that modifies a noun by asking a question, is called interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective included with these words which, what, was. For the example, which phone do you use? What color is your shirt? Who's your car? So let's move on next topic. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective indicates the ownership and it suggests the belongingness of the something to someone. Some of the most used possessive adjectives are my, his, her, our, their, your, etc. For the example, my car is parked outside. Let's learn with another example. His cat is very cute. Okay, one more example. Our job is almost done. So this was your 8 type of adjective. I think you are now totally understand what is an adjective. If you like this video, so please like and share this video and also subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt and question, you can write a comment in the below. Okay, till then goodbye and thanks for watching.